What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another quick update video. Alright, so in the previous video that I made, that was yesterday, I mentioned that, because we were running the Bing advertising campaign. So I mentioned that, hey, I'm going to make a video in about a week to kind of explain what kind of optimizations that I'm doing on this campaign. But I was checking out the Bing advertising campaign that we did yesterday this morning, and I just some optimization ideas came to my mind, and I thought it would be a good idea to make a video. Since this is not a full optimization thing, it's just like a couple of tips that a couple of stuff that I wanted to add. So it would be a good idea to make another video to show you these stuff too. So you can do it to your own advertising campaigns as well. Now, if you haven't watched the previous episode, make sure to do so, because if you don't, what I'm about to explain here is really not going to make any sense. If since part one, starting this whole series, I did the whole thing. I started the whole campaign and built the funnel and everything right in front of you. So if you want to watch that, if you want to see everything in detail, that's something you should definitely check out. I'm going to leave a link to those in the description, and also it's going to show up right here or up here, I don't know. Alright, so yeah, it's going to show up. Check it out if you haven't watched them. So let's go to my computer. Let me explain, again, this is like a quick update. Let me explain what I'm going to do, what is my plan exactly, and I'm going to explain why I'm making these changes. Alright, so let's go over there. Okay, guys, so we're going to do two things. Again, this is a quick update. So we're going to do two things. So this was a campaign that we did. So what I'm going to do, the first thing I want to do is, this is something I forgot actually in the previous video, or maybe I just didn't. Maybe I just wanted to make that video a bit shorter. But anyway, so if you remember, we have a campaign, we had an ad group, and there's one keyword inside that ad group, one particular keyword. Now, one thing you want to do is you want to add the same keyword with different match types. In case if you don't know what is a match type is basically how you're actually targeting the keyword. When you just add a keyword, it's going to be just a generic match type, okay? And then there's going to be, if you add it in brackets, it's going to be phrase. Let me actually just add that. It's going to be phrase, and then if you add it in quotes, it's going to be exact. Alright, so let's add that. Now if you take a look, broad, that was what just we added, exact, and then phrase. Now in case if you don't know the difference, let me explain this real quick. Exact is basically when you target people who exactly search for this particular keyword, nothing else. Alright, so that would be the exact match. Now phrase would be people who search for keywords that contain this particular keyword in it, right? For example, healthy foods, weight loss 2019, right? This could show up. You know what I mean? So that is phrase. And broad is basically broad. So just target anything related to that keyword. Now next one is, so again, this is the match type that you want to add for every campaign, for every ad group, okay? So next one is another cool thing that I actually wanted to share with you guys. Let me actually open a new document here. So this, when you actually run some ads for a while, it's going to give you some ideas, keyword ideas, all right? So if you go, this is going to happen specifically with broad keywords. Now this is since yesterday that we've been running this. I've spent about $14, 16 clicks and all that stuff. Now if you actually click on the broad keyword like this, select it, and then what you want to do is you want to go to details and select. So when you do that, it's going to give you details, specific details on the keywords that have been the keywords that your ads has been showing on. All right, so if I just pull up the keywords, just the clicks, take a look. So for example, my ad has been showing up for this best vegetables for weight loss. So guys, now that itself could be a keyword. Now you can actually check out the click-through rate, other stuff that you need to pay attention to. For example, so let's take a look. Good diet foods, that's too broad. Foods to cut out to lose weight. There you go. So that is a good keyword. Take a look. 78 cents, that's decent, right? And the click-through rate 100%. Now again, there isn't enough data because we just started this yesterday, but it's gonna give you a good idea right, of how this keyword is going to perform. And if you take a look, another thing that is really important is average position. So for example, this one has been ranking number 1. All right, what about this one? Let's see, best foods to promote weight loss. I don't even know what. Okay. Food aid in weight loss. There you go. So that's 100%. That could be a decent keyword, you know. It's a little bit expensive. Again, you gotta test it. So this section is gonna give you a lot of good ideas about your next keywords as well, like keywords that you want to target in your next ad groups. All right. So yeah, so this is something I'm going to save definitely. All right. I like the fact that, you know, it's not that it's decent, not that expensive. Foods to cut out to lose weight. So this is 78 cents. Impression, average position 1. That's fine. So yeah, I'll just keep these keywords. See guys, this is what I'm doing. I'm just like looking at these matches to see and to learn about more keywords that I can use in my future ad groups of this campaign. All right, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you got some value from it. Now, just 2 things that I want to talk about before we close this video. Number 1 is make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not a subscriber, because I'm going to post updates on this one, you know, future optimizations and everything. And also we're going to talk about other advertising channels as well. If you're doing affiliate marketing, if you're trying to get traffic to your business and earn commissions, generate leads and all that stuff, this is a channel you want to definitely follow. So make sure you subscribe if you're not a subscriber for future updates and daily videos. And second thing is that, you know, if you're trying to do it, make it in affiliate marketing and really make money in affiliate marketing, one of the things that you want to do is you need to choose the right strategy based on the product you promote. That's something that no one talks about. And you know, every product in different niches has its own strategy. You got to choose the right strategy based on niche, based on the product, even based on the landing page of that product. So just keep that in mind. It's really different for every single product. So with that being said, if you want to learn all these things in detail, and if you want to see exactly how to choose the right, if you want to learn how to choose the right strategy, how to choose the right product and all that stuff, you should definitely check out the Gold Masterclass. I'm going to leave a link to that in the description. That's going to be the first link. If you want to learn all these things in detail, that's definitely something you want to check out. All right. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Let me know if you have any questions. Leave a comment. Let me know how you think about this, what you think about this video, and I'll see you in the next one.